Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the 5 best power washers you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on power, features, and price. I've included options for every type of user, so whether you're looking for the best electric power washer or one that's cordless, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Joe SPX3000. This is our best budget power washer. If you're on a budget and you're looking for a power washer that won't break the bank, the Joe SPX3000 may be one of the best budget options for you. Priced at a very modest $150, you'll like the popular Joe SPX3000 electric pressure washer not only for its affordability, but because it packs the power to get your cleaning jobs done. Its 14.5 amp 1800 watt motor produces 2030 psi, which is strong enough to take care of most of your everyday cleaning tasks, like washing your car's hubcaps, cleaning outside patio furniture, or getting stubborn dirt and grime off your driveway. You'll also be impressed with its eco-friendly features like the Total Stop system. When you're not actively using it, the Total Stop system automatically kicks in and shuts off the pump and power. This feature goes a long way in saving you energy costs and prolongs the life of your pressure washer. Additionally, the SPX3000 also saves on water and uses only 1.76 gallons per minute. You'll also really like the inclusion of 5 different nozzles to suit various surfaces. Each nozzle snaps on and off the spray wand very easily. The SPX3000 also features 2 0.9-liter compartments that can hold 2 different detergents, making it super easy for you to switch between 2 uses, like cleaning your car and cleaning the side of your house. The key features are power, 2030 psi, specs, 14.5 amp 1800 watt motor, 31 pounds. The pros are eco-friendly. The Total Stop system saves you energy and extends pump life. Water, low 1.76 gallons per minute water usage. Versatility, 5 different nozzles to suit different cleaning jobs. Dual detergent tanks, store and alternate between 2 cleaning solutions. And for the cons, rust. Nozzles could potentially rust if not removed after each use. Power, moderate pressure strength may not be strong enough for tougher cleaning jobs. If you're on a budget and looking to stretch your dollar, the Joe SPX3000 can handle most everyday home cleaning jobs, is quiet and eco-friendly with low water usage, making it one of the best affordable options for you. The 4th product on our list is the Karcher K5 Premium Electric. This is our best power washer for cars. Experts say that to prevent damage to your car's paint job, the pressure washer you use should be around 2000 psi. Priced at a very reasonable $200, the Karcher K5 uses an advanced water-cooled induction motor that generates 2000 psi to let you tackle all of your essential home cleaning jobs and is gentle enough for cleaning your car. You'll like the K5's water-cooled induction motor's reduced 1.4 gallons per minute usage and how its unique design circulates water around the motor to keep its operating temperature low. This will extend your motor's life up to 5 times longer. You'll really enjoy the convenient hose reel that retracts the 25-foot-long cleaning hose, which makes it easier for you to wind it out and wind back in, and you won't have to worry about cumbersome kinks building up in the pressurized hose. However, unlike the Joe, the Karcher only has 1 onboard detergent tank, which is not as convenient if you need to quickly switch cleaning jobs. As for nozzle accessories, the Karcher comes with 2 wands that are a little more convenient than the Joe's 5 separate nozzles, because you won't have to change out the nozzle every time you want to change the pressure intensity. The key features are power, 2000 psi, specs, water-cooled induction, 14.5 amp 1800 watt motor, 32 pounds, 34 by 13.07 by 16.77 inches. The pros are water-cooled induction motor. Circulating water keeps the motor cool and can extend the motor's lifespan by up to 5 times. Hose reel. Easily pull out the hose when you need it and reel it back in when you're done. Wands. Comes with 2 wands, Vario wand and Dirt Blaster wand dual detergent. Detergent tank. Can easily adjust how much detergent with an adjustable dial. And for the cons, tank. Only has 1 detergent tank. Accessories. May need to purchase additional separate accessories for cleaning decks and driveways. If you're looking for a power washer to wash your car, the Karcher K5 uses an advanced water-cooled induction motor that generates 2,000 psi and is gentle enough to not damage your car's paint job. The third product on our list is the WORX WG644 40-volt Powerwasher Hydroshot. This is our best cordless power washer. If you prefer the convenience of going cordless without having to be tied to a power source or having to worry about dealing with a gas motor, then the WORX WG644 40-volt power washer is an excellent cordless option for you. Currently priced at $225, the WORX WG644 40-volt Powerwasher Hydroshot is ideal if you're looking for a lightweight portable washer for small residential cleaning jobs. Sacrificing portability for power, the 40-volt Hydroshot produces a low-end 450 psi, but that's still plenty of pressure for you to easily clean leaves off your patio, wash your car, and clean your windows. This isn't an industrial-strength pressure washer, and it's not intended to be. You'll really like the Hydroshot's cordless and portable design that lets you freely maneuver around and clean hard-to-reach space. Also, you won't suffer from arm fatigue while cleaning because the Hydroshot is fairly light, weighing only 7.3 pounds. Another convenient feature that you'll really like is the Hydroshot's ability to let you draw from a freshwater source like a pool or a lake if you're cleaning your boat. You'll really appreciate the Hydroshot's 5-in-1 nozzle, which lets you quickly switch from 5 levels of pressure intensity. The key features are power, 450 psi, cordless and portable, batteries, includes 2 rechargeable 20-volt batteries and a charger. The pros are portability, weighs only 7 pounds, and its cordless design lets you freely clean without worrying about cords. Draw hose, lets you draw water from a freshwater source like a bucket of water or a lake. Universal batteries. The included Powerwasher batteries can be used with other Powerwasher tools that run on 20 volts. 5-in-1 nozzle. No need to keep track of multiple nozzle attachments. You can adjust your pressure intensity on the go. And for the cons, tank. Doesn't come with a detergent container. Must purchase separately. Cleaning. Need to regularly clean the draw hose filter of sediments. If you're looking for a convenient cordless power washer, then the WORX WG644 40-volt Powerwasher Hydroshot delivers plenty of pressure for you to easily clean leaves off your patio, wash your car, and clean your windows, all without having to be tied to a power source, making it one of the best cordless options for you. The second product on our list is the Annovi Reverberi Blue Clean 390S. This is our best electric power washer. If you're looking for a well-built electric power washer, the Annovi Reverberi Blue Clean 390S may be just the ticket for you. You'll like the Annovi Reverberi Blue Clean 390S because of its lightweight, compact, and electric-based design. Currently priced at $225, it's able to produce 2,000 psi, which is 30 times stronger than your garden hose. And it can tackle medium to heavy cleaning projects like blasting away dirt from your pathways to cleaning vehicles, fences, siding, and decks. With its electric-based motor, you'll immediately notice how quiet it is compared to standard gasoline-run pressure washers. While it isn't portable like the Hydroshot, its 30-foot hose along with its 35-foot power cord gives you ample reach to clean areas in and around your home, and similar to the Karcher K5, there's a convenient hose reel to help you roll and retract the high-pressure hose. You'll also appreciate the inclusion of a large 48-ounce detergent tank that should last you one whole cleaning session without refilling, and the Annovi also features a total stop system that will help you preserve pump life as well as energy. One advantage that the AR Blue Clean has over other pressure washers is that you'll end up using 80% less water. Attachments include a pressure washer gun, pressure washer wand, along with 4 quick change nozzles. The key features are power, 2,000 psi, specs, 14 amp, 1.6 horsepower motor, 40 pounds. The pros are total stop system, automatically turns off when you let go of the trigger to save energy and extend pump life. Eco-friendly, clean with more pressure using 80% less water at 1.4 gallons per minute. Ample cord and hose length. 30-foot hose and 35-foot power cord allows you to easily cover large cleaning areas. Large detergent container, 48-ounce soap storage to last one session. And for the cons, stability, may be prone to tipping over. If you're looking for a great electric power washer that's built well, the Annovi Reverberi Blue Clean 390S is easy to use, eco-friendly, and its long hose and power cord allows you to cover larger areas, making it one of the best electric power washers on the market and a great option for you. The first product on our list is the Simpson Cleaning MegaShot MSH3125. This is our best gas power washer. If you need a bit more power, then the Simpson Cleaning MegaShot MSH3125 is one of the best gas power washers and may be the one for you. You're going to really like the Simpson Cleaning MegaShot MSH3125 for its sheer pressure power. Currently priced at $500, this sturdy gas-powered pressure washer is perfect for your home or your shop. It lets you take care of any residential cleaning job, from light driveway cleaning to heavy-duty projects like paint prepping for fences and decks. Inside the Simpson Cleaning MegaShot is a powerful Honda GC190 engine that you'll find delivers a whopping 3,200 psi. However, the trade-off of gasoline-run pressure washers is that although they're way stronger than electric models, they're also going to be a lot noisier too. You're going to want earplugs when operating it. And at 2.5 gallons per minute, the Simpson MegaShot also uses more water than the others on our list. You'll like the 4 nozzle attachments that range from high-intensity pinpoints for stripping away paint to low-pressure fan sprays for gently washing your car. Also, no need to worry about kinks or damage when dragging the hose around the house. The 25-foot MoreFlex hose is designed to stay straight as well as being abrasion-resistant. The Simpson Cleaning MegaShot weighs a hefty 55 pounds with a sturdy welded steel frame that you'll appreciate for its ability to handle harsh environments. Luckily, its big 10-inch pneumatic wheels make it easy enough to push around any terrain and to operate by yourself. The key features are power, 3,200 psi. Engine, Honda GC190 delivers extremely strong pressure washing. Pump, reliable OEM Technologies axial low-maintenance pump that's built to last. The pros are 4 quick connect nozzles. Quickly switch from 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and soap. MoreFlex hose, 25-foot hose that is durable and kink-free. Tires, 10-inch pneumatic tires make moving around any terrain quick and easy. And for the cons, tank does not have a detergent tank. Loud. Earplugs are recommended. If you're willing to sacrifice a little noise for extra power from a gas power washer, then the Simpson Cleaning MegaShot MSH3125 is sturdy and equipped with a reliable Honda GC190 engine that delivers 3,200 psi of pressure power, making it one of the best gas power washers for you. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.